No heating, I don't like heating. Gets the bird is molting quickly, keep hair the bottom, it keeps the natural heat within the thing. And there's plastic sheets outside. It's just all good, it's nice. Same temperature all day, all night. And they always have the shower, it's always there. And have a shower, they have a shower. You keep them natural as possible. You got very good quality birds. Only weekdays, only weekend, Saturday and Sundays. Give mineral in the water. Other than that, nothing else. Veggies here and there, just small portions. Canaries love it, but I'm gonna make a different shed for these canaries. Keep goldies together, but zebra's gonna stay with the goldies. If you don't know why, well, that's a special reason anyway. They're staying outdoor. Look how healthy they look. Look at her. Cinnamon goldfinch. British sharp camera, I think. I've done put it on just there she is. He's eating. She's gone back up next to the nest. That's the eating canary eating, the other one's eating. Gloucester hens there, cocks there, satinette cocks there, satinette hens there, pure satinette red eyes, and the markings on the body. They eat the European finch, plus they eat the no rape canary mix for breeding season. And canary is just for all winter. That's all the best canary breeders do. Goldies. Should have some more coming in soon. Enjoy the video. Quails are the best hoovers. They have their own food there, water. But if anything falls down the floor, then leave it out. That's my favourite Bengalese finch. Pure white. One's got a crest on it. It's there, trying to snap in with the Goldfinch mix. Got a crest on his head. And the female plain head. Wow. I had two yellow ones, I gave them away. And the zebra finch, I've got quite a beautiful one. She is inside somewhere. There's a cockbird gone into the grit box with the sign in. She's inside the canary box eating. She's right inside, you can't see her. So see the health condition of the birds. Gloucester should really be in a small cage. Quite heavy birds. But let's see how they do. Okay, enjoy boys. The end of the goldfinches.